Okay, we are going to make a classic cucumber salad, and interestingly enough, I found this dish throughout Central Europe, and I've also found it in Thailand, and they basically make it the same way in all those places. We are using, in this case, English cucumbers or any seedless cucumber. You could use almost any type of cucumber, but this is my preference for this. I also like to leave the skin on. I'll bet you $100 that Agnieszka would take it off. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, right. So, but I like to leave it on both for color and also for extra fiber and roughage. But before we slice the cucumber, we have to make our dressing or marinade. And essentially, it couldn't be any simpler. It is we're going to do 2 cucumbers, so we'll do a teaspoon of granulated sugar, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and then distilled white vinegar, about a cup or so. And just use your finger to stir it all together. This is to help dissolve the granulated sugar and the salt. Okay, we're going to set that aside right over here and get to work on our cucumbers. Now, first of all, when you start with the cucumber, you just want to look at it and feel it and make sure there aren't any soft spots that would suggest it's starting to get mushy or rot. This one's fine. We are going to remove the end though. And now for slicing, you can use a paring knife like I'm doing for very thin slices. You could also use a mandolin. So if we were making, a couple of pounds of cucumber, sliced cucumber, then we'd probably just pull out the mandolin and do it that way. But since it's only 2 cucumbers, it goes fast enough.
You're really good with cutting.
Yeah, I'm good until I cut myself.
So don't do this.
Yeah, right, exactly. One of the lovely aspects of this salad is that you can eat it right after you prepare it, or you can put it in the fridge covered and enjoy it the next day, or the day after that, or the day after that, because the acidity and the sugar and the salt, the acidity being from the vinegar of course, and the sugar and the salt are 3 natural preservatives.
Yeah.
So essentially you're pickling this cucumber. And the flavors just develop further. And also, the juice, after it's been in the fridge for several days, I love to just drink the juice. So you can serve cucumber salad just like this, with just the cucumbers and the brine, or you can add some fresh dill, or you can add some sour cream, or you can add dill and sour cream. It's all good.
We're making with onion too.
Yeah. And this is a year-round salad as well. Okay. Now I'll get some water, fresh water, right out of the well. Perfect. Now you just let that sit. Okay.